As I get ready to run a 3 day CLE course for employment lawyers with the State Bar of Texas, I realized there are some nuances between different types of lawyers and experiences. For example, you you're going to have, with experience in employment law, mistakes, and you want someone that's made a lot of mistakes and has reiterated and learned from this mistake, because usually in lawsuits, the person that moves faster wins. When you have one side trying to decide what to do next, but the other side has already done it 2, 3 times and maybe failed, but reiterated and accomplished the goal faster, you're going to get better results. And I'll just give you an example with just the CLE. So you'll see that we have the course, the presentation laptop here. From experience, we learned that you're going to need controllers that everyone understands and what not to touch. For a good presentation, you have to learn that you have to have bottled water for the speakers, just in case they get dry mouth, and it's normal to get nervous and dry mouth when you're presenting in front of a bunch of people. And so this is also true in the courtroom, where people are going to be nervous, they're going to forget things, and it's better to have things staged ahead of time, just like we do for a presentation at court. We also work with computers presenting information, and the lawyer that's able to distill complex information and make it simple for people to understand, it's going to be more persuasive and easier to understand. And so you're going to have to master technology. And so that includes having projectors, learning how to efficiently use it, and use the technology so that you don't have to hire expensive audiovisual companies to do very simple work that you could do yourself. I would say that most high school kids can probably do a PowerPoint presentation a lot better than lawyers on the technical side. Like, they know how to do it. And so this is just an example of things that you have to master as a lawyer. And you're going to have hardware stage for your depositions and trials, hearings. You will also have to have a lot of mistakes made, because only through making mistakes will you learn how to do things really well. For example, me, first time I used PowerPoint was in front of about 550 people, and I was one of the presenter on the panel, and the moderator couldn't get the slide up, so I learned in a hurry how to do it, and I always remembered the shortcuts to do it. And so from now on, I'm going to master this. Same thing, we're going to master little skills as we collect them along our career, and makes our job a lot easier. And the people that don't do it, the lawyers that don't learn, are going to have a hard time as technology and information and the law changes. So this is why it's important for lawyers to attend continuing legal education, because it's a learning process. You never stop. Once you stop learning, your skill will degrade. And so that's what I am here to do, is to help other lawyers up their skills. And it changes the whole legal landscape in Texas when everyone's good and know the law and are comfortable. It's a much more cordial and friendly atmosphere when everyone is on the same level and it's not suffering. Okay, back to work.